How to tell if you are blocked on WhatsApp. Welcome and let's get right into the tutorial. Starting off, open up your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. If it is not up to date or installed, open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for your WhatsApp, then install or update your application, then select on the Open button. There's no fixed way to let you know if you are blocked on WhatsApp. However, there might be a couple of hints. For an example, if you try to text or call a contact, you simply will not be able to do so. And if you try to check out their page or the account info will be blanked, which means there will not be any of the calling option or texting option. This is one of the methods to know if you are blocked on WhatsApp or not. So can we really do something about this to unblock ourselves? The answer is pretty clear. You will not be able to unblock yourself. However, you can communicate with the person that blocked you. Only in their hands you'll be able to unblock yourself. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.